Job, Sonia. Move targets. There you go. Stay where you're at, but move. Turret. Use your top half like a turret. Point in on that steel target. Then back to the paper. Then you can move to the other paper targets. Dump that magazine. Insert a new one. Job. There you go. Remember to use front sight focus and side alignment. Front sight focus, side alignment. Nice trigger press. Dump it hard, keep your gun down, you let gravity help you. Index that magazine, insert in the magazine well, release the slide. Good job. Get your grip right, get your fundamentals correct. Nice. Good job. Dump it. Are you out? All right, chamber check, mag check. Release the slide and reholster. Good job.